Hello everyone, this is Dhananjay sir and welcome to my online class. Now once again I am present here with current chapter number 6. The title of this chapter is How I Move Around. This is the third part of this chapter. And through this video, I am going to explain about this chapter because in first part we have done the reading practice. In the second part we have already I explained in oral way, but now this time I am going to explain about these chapters or about these subtopics of this chapter. So actually you can see that the title of this chapter is How I Move Around. मतलब हम लोग कैसे चारों ओर घूम सकते हैं या घूमते हैं. Nowadays we all of us have lots of options to move from one place to another. We can easily go anywhere which where we want, जहां भी चाहे हम आसानी से आ जा सकते हैं because we have lots of option, different types of transport facilities available for us. But when we talk about the earlier times, it means long time ago, on that time when the no this type of facility is not available like today. On that time early humans faced so many problems to move from one place to another. In olden days people move from one place to another on foot or by rode on the animals. So let's start the explanation of this chapter. What is transportation? Transportation means the way which we use to move from one place to another. And how do transport help us? What is the benefit of transportation? Transportation help us to connect from one place to another, from one city to another city, from one village to another village. Transportation help us to connecting people from different cities, village, country. क्या कि ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में क्या फायदा है? ट्रांसपोर्टेशन की मदद से एक दूसरे से लोग जुड़ने लगे, अगर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन नहीं होता तो वी कांट कनेक्ट टू अदर्स, हम लोग एक दूसरे से जुड़ नहीं पाते. एंड इन ओल्डन डेज first we talk about the journey of transportation. The journey of transportation, actually the story of transportation begins with the wheel, क्योंकि wheel is most important things for transportation. wheel अगर नहीं होगा, चक्का ही नहीं बनेगा तो किसी भी चीज का transportation is not possible. Because transportation helps us to connect to people, connect from one place to another like this. Okay, so in first we talk about the wheel. Okay, wheel is a circular like structure. In olden time, wheel is made up of wood. In early human, wheel is made up of in olden days. Wheel were made of wood. पुराने समय में जो व्हील बना था क्या चीज से बना था? लकड़ी से बनाया गया था. इन अर्ली ह्यूमन, जो आदि मानव जिसको बोलते हैं, अर्ली ह्यूमंस मीन्स ह्यूमन व्हिच लिव्ड इन द फॉरेस्ट. ओके, तो पुराने समय में व्हील जो है वुड से बना गया. बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट नाउअडेज, we can see that different types of wheels available and different types of material also used to make wheel. Nowadays some materials like rubber, steel, iron, aluminum, brass. So these all are materials. These all are materials nowadays to use to make wheel. ये जो है ये सारा मटेरियल्स का नाम है जो अब के दिनों में व्हील तैयार करने में यूज होता है. अब सारा व्हील जो है सारे मटेरियल से बनती है, रबर, स्टील, आयरन, एल्यूमिनियम एंड ब्रास. ओके, एल्यूमिनियम एंड अनदर spelling of aluminium, ALUMINIUM, aluminium and aluminum. Okay, now when early man was made wheel with the help of wood, on that time they could move the one place to another, and also they carried heavy goods, lots of heavy stones from one place to another with the help of that wooden wheel. So now this is the explanation. Now come to the journey, and now types of transport. We know that next word is types of transport. We know that there are three types of transport. First land transport. Second, water transport. And number three what? Number three is air transport. So these are different types of transport: land transport, water transport, and air transport. So first we will talk about land transport. Land transport is a common transport which is used by everyone in our daily life. You can see that so many different types of vehicles moves on the road, and so many different types of vehicles moves on the road, as well as railways, it means train it also move on the railway track. So for movement of train, a special track built for the train. Actually, this is the This is the oldest mode of transport. Land transport is the oldest mode of transport because in early humans move from one place to another on foot, on road, on uneven surface like this. And nowadays, in olden time, bullock cart, horse cart, and some animals also used as a means of transport by the early humans. But nowadays, we have lots of modern types of vehicles like car, metro train, different types of different models of cars, bikes, scooters, whatever. So land transport is a most common mode of transport. After invention of wheel, car is also created to do this wheel, and nowadays this wheel fitted onto a different types of vehicles to move on the road. And in olden days, the first car was the steam powered car also, and that the first model of car was made by Carl Benz. CARL. Carl BENZ. Carl Benz. Carl Benz was the first person who made the first model of the car. Now after this time, this is a name of a company which make a car, Mercedes Benz. Now after this, we see train to move every day on special on track, रेलवे ट्रैक। हम लोग क्या देखते हैं, प्रतिदिन जो है हम लोग ट्रेन देखते हैं, हजारों की संख्या में ट्रेन मूव करते हैं, और स्पेशली ट्रेन मूव ऑन स्पेशल ट्रैक। वो रोड पे नहीं चलते, उनके लिए एक अलग सा ट्रैक तैयार किया जाता है। बट इन ओल्डन डे द फर्स्ट, अभी के समय में उसका जो इलेक्ट्रिक पावर मीन्स इलेक्ट्रिक से, बिजली से चलने वाला जो है इंजन तैयार किया गया है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंजन तैयार किया गया है जो ट्रेन के बोगियों को खींचता है। लेकिन इन ओल्डन डे द फर्स्ट इंजन ऑफ अ ट्रेन वाज स्टीम पावर इंजन। स्टीम पावर इंजन, स्टीम पावर इंजन, स्टीम पावर इंजन। पुराने समय, अभी देखते बिजली से चलने वाला ट्रेन जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, पुराने समय में भाप से चलने वाला इंजन जो बना था वो भाप इंजन बना था। ट्रेन का जो आगे का जो फर्स्ट ये मशीन होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड इंजन। वह क्या था, तो वो स्टीम से चलने वाला, भाप से चलने वाला, स्टीम मीन्स भाप से उसको पावर मिलता था, वो इंजन जो है पावर देता था, और इसके बाद जो है वो बोगी को जो है वह खींचता था। तो एंड द फर्स्ट ट्रेन वाज मेड, स्टीम इंजन वाज मेड इन ग्रेट ब्रिटेन। Steam engine was made in Great Britain. Great Britain is the name of a country. Okay. After this, and the first train ran, मैंने पहला जब ट्रेन चला था तो कब चला था, इन 1800 में, इन 1800 में चला था। ठीक है, और we can see that the train is train is the most mode of land transport which carry thousand or million passengers every day from one place to another, as well as and train will also carry the heavy loads from one place to another every day. Okay, so students, in this video I have explained about wheel and I have explained about land transport. In next video I will explain some remaining types of transport. Okay, thank you.